how to fix can't import this element in Capcut. So first and foremost, you have to go here to your Capcut application, and currently I do not have this problem, but if you do have this problem, then there are pretty simple ways you can do, or you can do. Now, first is because the reason why you cannot import a specific element in CapCut, that is because of your type of video. So CapCut actually is very compatible if you use it, or you use an MP4 video. So make sure to paste the link here, or you can upload the video that you have here, and make sure to set it on MP4. And then let's say you want to open your file, go to photo library, say this one. This is currently an MKV. Tap on done. Now all you have to do is to convert that video into MP4. So make sure that you have set it to this MP4 and just wait for it to be downloaded. Now if once it's downloaded there, just convert the application, or the video. So basically the first step is to convert the video to MP4 for it to be very compatible, or compatible to CapCut. So to do that, now once, let's say you have downloaded the application or the video into MP4, or converted the video into MP4, then now you can create the project. Tap on add here, and as I have said before, I do not currently have this problem, but basically it will fix your problem. Now the other way for you to fix your problem is you can go here to your app store or your play store, depending on what device you have, and then you can go here to CapCut and make sure that you have updated your CapCut application. Now it's very important for you to update your application. That is because there are features that you can only access, or there are um bugs that can be fixed once you update your application. So make sure to update on that. Now if it still doesn't work that way, then what you can do is you can go here. So what you can do is you can go here to your settings, and then go to your general, and then to your iPhone storage. Now here you have to look for the CapCut. Now you have to offload the application here. Basically you're giving a refresh, or you're refreshing the application here. Just offload that and reinstall the application. Don't worry, you might be thinking once you reinstall the application it will delete all your past or previous videos. Do not worry, it will just refresh your application, so the documents, the data, the videos that are in the application right now are still preserved. And basically that is how you fix can't import this element in CapCut. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.